Alright, we have the Atrius force reset selector in. We got that modified Dirty Bird flat face single stage trigger, modified, trimmed down to 7.9 millimeters. We got an H2 buffer and a regular buffer spring in there now. So we will give it a try. Do some single shots here. Go in that force reset selector mode. Alright, let's just do a full other mag to check. Send the bolt home, put it in at third position. That seems to have worked. Alright, so now I'm going to attempt to do a full D60 in one go, and if that works, I think I can trust it. So, send the bolt, put it in that forced reset selector mode, and then we're just going to dump. Smoke coming out. Yeah, so I think we can say that works. Like I said previously, regular buffer spring, H2 buffer, Atrius force reset selector, Dirty Bird flat single stage trigger that milled down to 7.9. That was originally, to begin with, I think like 8.3 millimeters. In a PSA lower. And of course I'm using the red right hand upper. So awesome, seems to work.